Stop doing fake garbage push-ups. Seriously. If you are doing them like 99% of guys, you are destroying your shoulders and getting zero chest growth. Fact is, the average American guy can't even do 10 strict, perfect push-ups. Yet, every single day, you see dudes pumping out 50 rapid-fire half reps thinking they are absolute beasts. But let me ask you this. If you do 100 push-ups a day, why is your chest still completely flat? It is because you are making 3 massive mistakes. Let's fix them right now. Mistake number 1, flared elbows. Most guys do push-ups with their arms completely wide open, making a perfect T shape with their body. This puts zero tension on your chest and puts 100% of the stress directly onto your shoulder joints. This is a guaranteed way to get an injury. Stop doing this. Tuck your elbows in. Your body should look like an arrow from above, not a T. This immediately shifts the load to your chest and triceps where it belongs. Mistake number 2, the ego rep. Going down 2 inches, dropping your neck, and pushing back up does not count as a push-up. You are just bobbing your head up and down like a pigeon. Drop the ego. If you can do 50 half reps, but only 10 full reps, then you can only do 10 push-ups. Go all the way down until your chest physically touches the floor, and push all the way up until your arms are fully locked out. Full range of motion equals full muscle growth. Mistake number 3, the sagging back. Your hips are sinking to the floor like a wet noodle, while your chest is still up in the air. A push-up is not just a chest exercise. It is a moving plank. If your core is weak, your push-up is weak. Before you even go down, squeeze your glutes, flex your abs, and lock your legs straight. Your entire body needs to move together like a stiff board. If you fix these 3 mistakes, I guarantee your push-up numbers will drop by half. If you used to do 40, you will probably struggle to do 15. But those 15 perfect, controlled reps will build more muscle than 100 garbage ones. Drop the ego, master the basics. Hit that subscribe button for real, no BS fitness, and let's get to work.